Which in some circles means something different. What's up, Monica Barrio? I'm making some chicken parm because I'm gonna go visit somebody tomorrow, and I figured I'll bring them some chicken parm. So we bought some chicken. So right now I'm gonna mix the seasoning to bread it with, and then I'm gonna mix the egg wash to wet it with. And I'm pounding the chicken over there. I still got some more to go, but I think I'll start with what I got.
Pasensya na kayo mga kabaryo.
This is breadcrumbs. We got lots of chicken to make bread.
Just leave that out.
I'm going to take some oregano.
Oregano.
Garlic powder.
Why you decide to make this for who?
For Angie.
Who's Angie?
With a friend.
Friend of who?
Oh, friend of a family. My mother's friend from when she was a teenager. Garlic powder. Always have to have garlic on everything, guys.
Your face is a face of a face.
The face is a face of a face. That's the kind of face of a face.
Fish, honey, fish.
I'm a fish face. My wife just told me I'm a fish face.
So, mga kabaryo, ito siya, oh. He's always putting everything. That's his goal in life. Oh my God, I hope this phone is not gonna jump in here.
Don't drop it in there. It will be bad.
Oh my God, I'm boiling a chicken for the dogs because they are spoiled.
See, that's it, guys. We're making for everybody except for us.
Yeah, we really don't make anything for us. Actually, we're gonna have the instant ramen while some other people are having a good thing, good food, and a doggy. This is for the doggy. So, nagpa-pound na siya ng chicken. This is the chicken. This is the mess that he have here. I have to sanitize it later, and somebody's hungry.
So now I'm just mixing the seasonings. Then I gotta mix some eggs and some milk and some
milk and egg you need.
Milk and egg.
Do you want me to do it now?
We could.
How many eggs do you add in it?
Well, you need a few to get all these chickens coated. So you're not adding eggs, you're just coating the chicken with it. You're gonna make an egg wash. So egg wash, you put egg. I don't use flour. I mean, you're supposed to use flour and then egg after the flour, but I don't.
You usually don't,
It's
but
kind of a
it
waste.
tastes good, yeah.
Well, the flour is supposed to help with breadcrumbs stick better, but things to really do that.
Okay,
Well,
guys.
I could just do it wrong. Maybe that's why.
We will.
Not gonna make too
Hala,
much.
you put too much. No, don't put too much.
It's a wash.
So wash.
That's it, guys. So I'm making chicken cutlets. And my wife's starting the sauce. She's got the garlic already, which is good because I really don't like the garlic anyway. Which is annoying. But you have to do it. Everything I cook has tons of garlic in it. That's what I do. Little by little, we make a pile of chicken. Oh, that one ripped, but it don't really matter.
Doesn't really matter.
So I'm going to a farm anyway.
Oh, this is from Puerto Rico, guys. This one right here. My mother-in-law brought it here. She brought it here. She's originally Puerto Rican, from Puerto Rico. And my husband originally from America. But his blood is kind of three bloods. Three different kinds. 50 Italian, 25 Puerto Rican, and the other 25 is
Welsh.
terrier. Mixed terrier dog. Yeah.
Basically, we're just mutts.
They're mutts. What is the other one, hon?
Welsh.
Welsh? What is Welsh?
That's English.
English?
Yeah.
Oh. English? English? I thought you're English already, dog.
Not your language. Okay, guys, this is what we get when we fry up the chicken cutlets, and we put them in a pile. Now we're making the sauce. Then we'll lay them out in the tray, put some sauce, put some cheese, make a nice chicken parm. A little bit, but this is what we're at now. So the sauce takes a while because good sauce has to sit on heat for a few hours. So
3 hours is good.
maybe more.
3 hours is You're looking for that small cart. It tells you.
But these are small packs. These are big packs.
Maybe it's over there. Don't separate it now. Separate it. How much is that? Yeah. What are you looking, Tamimoy?
I'm looking to see if they have mozzarella shredded.
Mozzarella ang mahal kasi. Hi guys! Grocery kami kasi kailangan. Si Tami kasi gusto niyang bumili ng chicken, so he's gonna be busy. At ang dami pala sa inyong nagtatanong guys about lagyan namin ng CCTV ang bahay, ganon. We have CCTV in the house. Meron kami CCTV actually, right Han?
CCTV?
Yeah. CCTV. Like a camera.
CCTV is closed circuit, yeah.
We have cameras. Actually, we put 2 cameras. And then we have one sa front door. Ang problema lang sa front door, it won't ring. It's a doorbell camera. Pero hindi siya mag-ring sa aming phones inside the house. Hindi. Kasi, I don't know what happened. Hindi mag-ring. So, kailangan namin i-replace yan. And, kung merong mag-ring ng bell namin, hindi namin malaman, ganon. Kasi, walang ring. Maralaman mo lang na may tao dahil yung aso tumatahol. Yun. Tumatahol yung aso. But our dog is a big alarm system. Kung merong tao talaga. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong nangyari. So, kung merong tao, yung alarm namin na aso, they are very, like, the dog is aggressive, the way they bark. Aggressive. Sakit sa ulo. So, malalaman mo talaga na may tao dahil sa kanila dalawa. Okay. Late na naman guys, shopping na kasi dahil si Mister. Meron kasi daw siyang agenda bukas daw. So, I don't know what his agenda. It's like a lot of plan in his head, but too much plan. It's right here.
Little plan.
Yeah, little plan. So when we get home, he's gonna start cooking. Oops, mag-stop muna kami sa ibang tindahan, pero hindi ko pinalabas si Mister kasi ako muna, kasi alam nyo na kapag lalabas yun, iwan ko na lang si Batman. Kasi meron akong plano guys na dinner, tinanong ko si Mister at hopefully magustuhan niya. Tignan natin, keep on watching the vlog. Where is it? Huh? You're the one who pack everything. You're the one who put everything. Ay. Who did that?
I don't know. I guess it was me, but I don't know.
It's me. It was
Seriously?
me.
You made me run around to the car?
Yes, love. Look, love. It is me. Look. Diba galing ako sa grocery kami ni Tami. Bumili ako ng ramen noodles. Ito siya, itong klase. At saka meron akong scallion at saka yung prime rib na leftover. Kinat ko lang siya ng manipis. And nagboil ako dito. Alam nyo naman kung paano ito, diba? Kasi tayo sa Pilipinas, sanay tayo magluto ng ganito. Boil lang. Maraming tubig kasi 2 pakiti po yung nilagay ko. And nilagay ko yung powder seasoning. And then pagkatapos niyan, yung another seasoning nila, 2 klase po ito. And then, napagdesisyonan ko guys na lagyan ko siya ng itlog. Yung itlog na biniak. O, yun. So, imimix ko muna ito bago ko ilagay yung itlog. And yun, 'di ba, masarap siya. Akala ko sobrang maanghang niya. Maanghang siya pero hindi masyado. At saka magtataka kayo guys na ang lalaki ng mga nilagay kong scallion. Iwan ko, gusto ko nung malaki. And yun, nilagay ko yung beef para naman may lasa yung ating ramen. Parang beef ba? Beef yung lasa. And of course, hindi lang beef chicken din, diba? May itlog. Nilagyan ko siya ng 2 itlog and minimix-mix ko na lang siya hanggang yun talaga yung itlog is hindi siya mamuo-muo. Ito lang yung ipakain ko kay Mister. Tinanong ko siya actually kung okay lang sa kanya na ganito muna yung dinner namin kasi nabuburyo or na hindi nabuburyo. Parang naano na kami sa daming meat na kinakain namin, mga leftover noong Pasko at saka New Year's Eve. Meron tayong mga leftover, ang dami. So ito na siya guys, kakain lang tayo. Ito lang yung dinner namin ni Tami, which is weird. I-try natin kung okay ba. Han, it's hot. Like the temperature hot. Oh my goodness. The temperature is so hot. Ang init. Temperature.
And we throw some black pepper in there also just for fun.
Oh my god, it's spicy, Han. Oh my god, this is weird spicy.
It's not really spicy, guys. My wife's exaggerating.
It's spicy.
The only heat here is the temperature.
Pagkainit na lang yun. Pasok-pasok mo po itong abila niya. My husband can handle the heat.
Yeah, okay. Meantime, her husband added more hot pepper to it. And she's the one whining about it's too hot.
Temperature, eh?
I don't know, I heard you use the word spicy.
Spicy.
Not really.
And if you're not happy with this dinner, you have your chicken.
There you go. Throw a piece of chicken in there.
I don't add salt, but it tastes like salt.
Well, yes, that seasoning probably does have salt in it.